Welcome to this tutorial on getting ready for your online ticket draft. We're logged into the ticket group Bleacher Buddies, and we're logged in as Joe. Joe's a partner in this group. We'll click on the Draft tab or the Go to the Live Draft button. The left side of the page is the draft settings, and the right side of the page is My Draft Settings, and that's the subject of this tutorial. We'll start with the Games Ranked setting. If you click on that link, you'll see a list of all the games that are in the draft. In order to get ready for your draft, you can rank the games in the season 1 through however many are in your draft. Do this by just dragging and dropping the individual games to a new location. You can also use the Draft Rank Wizard, where you tell us how important things like day of the week, opponent, month of the season, and game start time are to you. Once you've entered these settings, we'll assign a score for each game in the draft. Notice that the system adds your score for each game and re-ranks the entire list of games based on your score. You can refine your list further if needed, and when you're done, save changes. Next, we'll look at auto draft, turn emails, and consecutive games. By default, auto draft is off. We assume that everybody wants to pick their own games. If a partner does not want to pick their own games and let the system pick for them based on their preferences, they would turn auto draft on. If turn emails is on, we'll send you an email every time it's your turn. By default, turn emails are off. However, if you're going to be drafting over several days, we recommend having turn emails on. The last setting, consecutive games, is relevant if auto draft is on. Adjust this setting if auto draft is on and you want to prevent the auto draft system from selecting games close to each other. We'll turn auto draft off as Joe's going to pick his own games. With our individual settings finished, let's take a look at the live draft. Click on the Enter Live Draft button to access the draft. The start date and time are at the top of the page. And then notice at the bottom we have the available tickets. The rankings we just entered are on the left column. We can sort by opponent, date and time, and again by rank. In the right column we have the draft status, the draft order, and notice that we can adjust our auto draft setting and our turn email settings directly from the live draft page. Once the draft begins, this page will continuously update until your draft is over. Thanks for watching this tutorial on getting ready for your online ticket draft.